You're watching Health Matters Today TV Spotlight. Now, here's your host, Shannon Patterson.
Welcome to this Health Matters Today TV Spotlight. Nearly 24 million people in the U.S. have diabetes, and most of them suffer from type 2 diabetes. Most diabetics report frustration with the progression of the disease, in spite of their best efforts and medications. If you or someone you know is struggling with the rigors of type 2 diabetes and are seeking a fresh approach, the next few minutes can be the most important part of your day. Doctors Keith and Josh McKim are here to discuss their new treatment approach to diabetes that is changing lives. So thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having us.
Well, your clinic is seeing some great success and the results have been quite phenomenal. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Well, I think some of our favorite success stories are when we help a diabetic patient completely reverse their diabetes to the point to where they're non-diabetic. And a lot of these cases we send back to the prescribing physician and they're able to take them off their medications because they no longer need it. Some of the more severe cases, they're able to get off of their insulin and dramatically reduce their oral diabetic medication.
So why are you seeing such great results?
Well, the way that we treat diabetes is unique in a sense because when these people get diagnosed with diabetes, they're all put on the same medications. And the medications that are designed to reduce symptoms, but nobody's looking at the cause behind why they got diabetes. So we run testing to look at the cause. Once you identify this, you can begin treating the cause instead of just the symptoms, and you get great results, and diabetes can actually be reversed.
Now, why is this disease so prolific, and why is it so frustrating for patients?
Well, I think Dr. Josh kind of hinted at it a little bit. In the conventional model, i.e. drug therapy, it's thought to be chronic and degenerative, which means that it's never going to go away and it'll never get better and eventually gets worse. So a lot of these patients are frustrated. They have no hope. But if you can get to the root cause of their problem and begin to work on that, you can actually help them reverse their diabetes. And a lot of times they can get off medications across the board. Their diabetic medication, blood pressure medication, cholesterol medication.
Well, you also help a lot with weight reduction too, because in a lot of cases the medication makes them gain weight, the diabetes medication, but then when they go off of it, they tend to lose weight. Is that right?
Yeah, so obviously you have to look at these people as individuals. Many of them are working really hard, they're dieting, they're exercising, they just can't lose the weight. So we look at their individual imbalances, we fix their metabolism. Once you do this, they start losing weight. Many of them tell us they're eating more and they keep losing weight, and obviously they're really happy about that.
Well, thanks so much for sharing all this great information. Let's tell our viewers how to get a hold of you.
The solution to your type 2 diabetic suffering could be just a phone call away. If you'd like to see if you qualify for a free type 2 diabetic consultation, please call the number on your screen now. The first 25 qualified Health Matters Today viewers to call will receive 2 free diabetic consultations. That's a $247 value. Don't delay. Make the call right now.